Staring at a blank email for 15 minutes? Those days are over. Let me show you how to write a professional email in under 30 seconds. Why this changes everything? Email takes up to 20% of your workday, according to studies. If you cut that in half, you could save up to 5 hours per week. Here's a formula I use. This is my email prompt template. Write a professional email doing what, to who, tone should be formal or friendly or apologetic, key points to include, and keep them under X words. Now, common email types that we'll cover in demos is meeting requests, declining invitations, follow-ups that get responses, complaint, thank you emails. Now, let's write 4 different types of email together with 4 different types of prompt for 4 different situations. So the first email that we would write is when we are declining a meeting. So for example, we need to write a professional email declining a meeting invitation due to a scheduling conflict. The meeting is with my manager Sarah about Q4 budget. Suggest 2 alternative times next week. Keep it polite and brief. Now let's review the response to this prompt. Again, very simple subject, meeting rescheduled Q4, thanking Sarah for sending the invite, then apologizing that you're unable to attend, but then again giving couple of slots and also suggesting if there are any other slots that would work for her. Very simple email, very polite email that we use ChatGPT to write, and it hardly took 10 seconds. Now let's look at another template where we are following up on the previous email. So we would write a friendly but professional follow-up email. I interviewed for a sales position 2 weeks ago and haven't heard back. Remind them of my interest without being too pushy. Keep it under 100 words. Now let's look at the response of this. So again, this is a very simple, concise email following up on the position, then reminding them that you gave the interview 2 weeks ago, and then you're telling them that you're still interested in the role and you would want to contribute to the team. Very polite, very, very human-like emails that ChatGPT is helping us write. Now let's look at another template where we are where we are complaining about a service delivery or a product delivery. So write a firm but professional email to a vendor whose delivery is 3 days late. This is affecting our project timeline. Request immediate update and compensation options. Tone assertive but not aggressive. Let's see. See how AI walks that fine line, strong but professional. He just reached out to the vendor for the delivery, reminding them that it's delayed by 3 hours, and we are requesting for immediate update, and also requesting for any compensation options. It's firm, it's assertive, but not aggressive. Now let's look at another email wherein we are saying thank you to somebody for helping us. Write a warm thank you email to a colleague, and also see I'm making number of spelling mistakes when I'm typing, but it doesn't impact the response of ChatGPT because it is able to understand the various words. Who helped me with a presentation? Mention specifically that her data analysis saved me hours. Keep it genuine, not overly formal. Let's see, this would sound like a real human and not a template. Again, subject is very simple. Thank you for your help. Big thank you for the help. Data analysis was spot on. It made a lot of difference to my final result. Very simple emails, very human-like emails that ChatGPT is able to write. Even after writing emails, it does give you some suggestions. Do you want to make it sound a touch more casual or keep it friendly, professional? So it just gives you more options to try out to see what type of email works for the particular subject. Now that you have seen the examples, remember these pro tips. 1, you can always add make it shorter, longer if needed. Tip 2, say make it more formal, casual, urgent, warm, all of those to adjust the tone. 3rd, always read before sending. Personalize with a detail that AI wouldn't know. And 4th tip, save your favorite prompts in a notes app for quick access. The common mistakes that beginners make is when ChatGPT is giving you a response, don't just copy paste, read it so that you can check the names, the dates, the specific details, rewrite it, some aspects of it, giving it more personal touch. AI in ChatGPT might hallucinate information that you did not provide and hence might give you bad responses as well. So it is very important to read and make sure that whatever AI has written is right, and then add specifics to it. Now, in this video, this is the challenge for you. Think of an email that you have been avoiding. Maybe you applied for a position and have not heard back for 2 weeks, or any email that you have been avoiding. Use AI to write it. Comment down when you send it. Now, Next video is all about creating job documents that get you hired. Resumes, cover letters, LinkedIn that works. It'll be very exciting for you to see how you can use AI to mature your profiles so that you get hired. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can see more videos, see how AI can help you in the long run. Thank you.